早晨啊，咁多位，今日又返公司啦。I'm really not a morning person，所以每朝早都會覺得特別眼瞓。有時真係好唔願意趌起身做嘢或者返公司，但係一醒起月尾有一大堆費用要交嗰陣，就發覺返唔返工呢啲唔係選擇，係必然要做嘅嘢，咁就唯有 suck it up， 跟住返工咯。喺四大做 consultant 有一個好處就係你可以有唔同嘅 client， 咁即係話你做嘢嘅地點呢係可以唔同嘅。其實我乜嘢都做過 auditor、accountant、freelancer、consultant， 乜嘢 job 都試過晒，都去過好多唔同種類嘅公司啦，同過好多唔同嘅人相處。And you know what I noticed？ 就係有亞洲人如果 expect 特別多嘅公司呢，佢哋通常嘅 canteen 或者佢哋嘅廚房嘅 facilities 都會好好㗎。話咁快嚟到 lunch time 嘅時間，今日就俾你睇下我啲 colleagues 嘅 lunch 幾靚。
Showing my colleagues' lunch.
Disconnecting everyone. Then
There's my lunch.
不過冇所謂，因為個包唔係戲肉，戲肉係 lunch time 嘅時候聽到其他人講嘅嘢，好多時係好食過個 lunch 㗎。今日真係好開心，因為得一個會要開，淨係需要 sit through one session， 咁然後就可以返去做嘢啦。好多時我覺得啲人開會講嚟講去都係講埋啲無聊嘢，真係好唔願意聽㗎。其實做下嘢食下嘢啲時間呢都過得好快嘅，哇咁快
收工啦！今日真係好鬼熱，不過呢，哇 ，Oh my god， 好熱啊 ！But it's okay, I'm dressed for the weather。哦，聽我啲 biceps， 啲人見到我一路喺度影，一路就同自己講嘢。They must think I'm pretty crazy。哇，好正啊！今日嘅天氣，太陽，哇 ，look at，Oh my god， 哇！去緊邊呢？呢班人 ？But anyway, crazy stuff happens all the time。好熱，哇！頭先一行出嚟嗰一下咧，好似嗰啲火啊咁樣打落塊面度。OK， 又去火車站啦，我哋帶大家睇下景。睇下對面幾多人，睇錯咗時間，即係我係要由 A 去 B， 咁但係我睇嗰啲時間表咧就睇錯咗由 B 去 A， 最多10分鐘。哦，我哋執嘅，我諗我真係餓到有啲縮咗。我頭先落咗車，跟住而家又上翻車，因為個味道到啦，我哋呢個先至係正確嘅站。即係你落車嗰陣，你應該見到一啲好熟悉嘅 environment 㗎嘛 ，right？ But when I got off just now, I was like, hold on, I haven't seen this before. Is this new? Am I on the other side of the station? No， 我根本係去錯站都未到。Oh my god, I'm so dumb sometimes. I left my brain cells at work. When I'm off work, I don't want to use my brain. 講真啦，我真係好驚落樓梯。次次落樓梯咧，我都要綁住埲牆。I don't know. What if someone pushes me from behind? You know? 呢個世界咁多黐線人 ，like you never know. It's better to be safe than sorry. Oh my god! 28度，哇 ！It's burning. 之後我自從換咗呢架車之後啦。我覺得好似唔使用腦咁樣，因為架車又有 sensor 啦，跟住又有 camera 啦，我又可以喺個 screen 度睇晒360 view，like wow！I don't even need to like turn my head to look anymore. I just have to look at the screen，like 直情係可以好似將個腦關閉咁樣嚟開車。我哋去入貨。I like you, like you, like you。之後幾時開始去買餸就好似變咗一個 activity 咁，你會 enjoy 去做嘅嘢係嘛？咁我哋係買嘢食， 跟住買嗰陣想像之後翻屋企食，嗰個想像都已經好 enjoy 嘅，黐唔黐線啊？咁所以咧，我哋又嚟超市，我講唔到嘢，咁所以我哋又嚟超市啦，我哋嚟支持唐人開嘅嘢。咁其實呢度得佢一間啫，你唔支持佢都唔知支持邊個。我哋到啦，你睇下啊幾好，唔使基本上唔使睇第啲嘢，我淨係睇一個 screen 就得噶啦，可以停到車。攞兩個袋，知唔知咩意思啊？即係同佢晒冷今日。Oh my god, I fucking love this car. OK， 早2日出咗糧咧，真係可以唔睇價錢。Yeah. 咦，抵喎，買多包。對蛋撻有陰影啊，睇落好好食㗎，不過算啦。喂，居然仲有個叉燒菠蘿包喎！Sorry， 唔使俾人見到啊！冇得去韓國，咁就唯有買啲韓國食麵啦。咦，好開心喎！今日好多嘢減價喎，個半咁好，哇！呢啲翻去做 lunch。我發覺買嚟買去啦，都係嗰幾樣嘢食。有冇人有好介紹啊？即係啲一定要食嘅，即係呢隻嘢咧，我真係好鬼中意嘅，但係唔捨得買咯，離譜。未試過呢隻，試下先。即係有睇過我 reels 嗰啲人都知，我係幾咁中意煮嘢。我想講呢個世界幾好嘅。擺冷嘅宗旨係咩咧？就係即係當架車滿到咁嘅時候就要收手。Yeah. 我哋去俾錢，成功買咗嘢啦，總共係70幾蚊，有個 coin。咁就睇下咩料。哦 ，What is this？ Oh my god！ Oh, this is fun！ 死啦 ，focus 唔到添。OK， 去。Too bad. Nice try. It's a pretty fun initiative though. 我想講咩？今日成日就係食咗嗰一個麵包，我真係餓到黐孖筋。好脆個皮。我的咁多少少，但係我真係等唔切，好肚餓。最後尾一個叉燒菠蘿包都未買到。今日到此為止，多謝大家收睇，拜拜。